Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a very unique recipe, Bisibellebath made with leftover idlis. So let's start. I'm using leftover idli which is 1 or 2 days old. I have stored this in refrigerator and now using it. This is of perfect texture and perfect for this recipe. I'm also breaking around 5 cashews which I am going to use in this recipe. Let's start preparing. For this I am going to heat around 2 tablespoons of oil in a cooking pan. When the oil is nicely heated, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cashew. Also going to add 1.5 tablespoon of peanuts. Now fry them well. Also going to add a pinch of mustard seeds and a handful of curry leaves. Cook for few seconds. Now you can add vegetable of your choice. Here I am adding half capsicum, 2 tomatoes, half carrot and few peas. Now mix and cook the vegetables nicely. I am going to cover and let the vegetables cook until they are soft. So now I am checking. The tomatoes have become soft and mushy. Now it's perfect. Into this I am going to add 3 tablespoons Bisibellebath powder. This is perfect for 3 leftover idlis. Now mix and cook on very low flame for few seconds. Now I am going to add tamarind juice around 2 tablespoons. Also adding some salt to taste. Here I have added half teaspoon salt. To mix everything nicely, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Now mix everything and cook for furthermore few seconds. When everything is nicely mixed and cooked, I am going to go ahead and add the idlis. Mix and fry until it is nicely mixed. Now after everything is mixed nicely, you can turn off the flame, cover and let it rest for few minutes. Before serving, it is optional to add a pinch of jaggery, mix and then serve. Adding jaggery enhances the flavor. Serve this hot, garnishing with some aloo bhujia or some chow-chow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up. Also, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.